Checking your account balance with PNC Bank is a straightforward process. You can do it through various methods, including online banking, mobile apps, ATMs, and phone services. Follow these steps to easily check your balance. Step 1. Access online banking. Visit the PNC Bank website and log into your online banking account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Overview section to view your balance. Step 2. Use the mobile app. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. Visit an ATM. Locate a PNC Bank ATM near you. Insert your debit or ATM card and enter your PIN. Select the option to check your account balance, and the ATM will display your current balance. Step 4. Call customer service. Dial the PNC Bank customer service number. Follow the prompts to access your account information. You may need to provide your account number and other identifying information to receive your balance. Step 5. Use text banking. If you have enrolled in PNC's text banking service, you can send a text message with a specific command like BAL to receive your account balance via SMS. Make sure you have set up this feature in advance. By following these steps, you can easily check your PNC Bank account balance using your preferred method. Remember to keep your login information secure and monitor your account regularly.